Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Armenia, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Caucasus region. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey through Armenia's stunning landscapes and historical sites that tell the story of a rich and vibrant culture. From the majestic peaks of the Armenian highlands to the serene shores of Lake Sevan, Armenia is a land of breathtaking beauty that beckons travelers from around the world. As we delve into this enchanting country, you will discover ancient monasteries perched on cliffs, such as the iconic Gerd Monastery, carved into the rock, and the stunning architecture of the Temple of Garni, a testament to Armenia's Hellenistic past. Each location we visit will reveal the unique blend of history and nature that defines Armenia, showcasing its diverse landscapes, from lush valleys to rugged mountains. Our aim is to engage and inform you about the incredible sights and experiences that await in Armenia. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a history enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the world, this video will inspire you to explore the rich culture and breathtaking locations that Armenia has to offer. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we uncover the wonders of Armenia, a country that promises to leave a lasting impression on your heart and soul. Historical significance of Armenia. Armenia boasts a rich and complex history that has significantly shaped its identity and cultural landscape. As one of the oldest countries in the world, Armenia was the first nation to adopt Christianity as its state religion in 301 AD, a pivotal moment that laid the foundation for its unique cultural heritage. This historical significance is evident in its ancient sites, such as the Temple of Garni, a stunning Hellenistic structure that stands as a testament to Armenia's pre-Christian past. The temple, with its impressive columns and breathtaking views, reflects the architectural prowess of the ancient Armenians and their connection to the broader Mediterranean world. Another key historical site is the Echmiadzin Cathedral, the oldest cathedral in the world, which serves as the spiritual center of the Armenian Apostolic Church. This cathedral not only symbolizes the deep-rooted Christian faith of the Armenian people but also represents their resilience in the face of adversity throughout history, including the tragic events of the Armenian genocide in the early 20th century. Today, the echoes of Armenia's past resonate through its modern culture, influencing everything from art and music to cuisine and festivals. The rich history attracts tourists eager to explore the ancient ruins, monasteries, and churches that dot the landscape. As visitors walk through these historical sites, they gain a deeper understanding of Armenia's enduring spirit and the cultural pride that continues to thrive in contemporary society. This blend of history and modernity makes Armenia a captivating destination for those seeking to connect with its storied past while experiencing its vibrant present. Natural wonders. Armenia is a treasure trove of breathtaking natural landscapes that captivate the senses and inspire adventure. One of the most stunning locations is Lake Sevan, often referred to as the Jewel of Armenia. This expansive freshwater lake, surrounded by picturesque mountains, offers a serene escape for visitors. Its crystal-clear waters are perfect for swimming, boating, and picnicking along the shores, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. Dominating the Armenian skyline is the majestic Ararat Mountain, a symbol of national pride and cultural significance. Standing at 5,137 meters, this iconic peak is often shrouded in clouds, creating a mystical atmosphere. The mountain is not only a stunning backdrop for photography but also a popular spot for hiking and trekking enthusiasts. Adventurers can explore the surrounding landscapes, which are dotted with ancient monasteries and breathtaking vistas, providing a unique blend of history and nature. For those who appreciate wildlife, Armenia offers excellent opportunities for birdwatching, particularly in the Khosrov Forest State Reserve, where diverse species thrive in their natural habitats. The rich biodiversity of Armenia's landscapes makes it an ideal location for outdoor activities, from hiking and camping to exploring the numerous national parks. As we revel in the beauty of Armenia's natural wonders, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of preserving these landscapes for future generations. Sustainable tourism practices and conservation efforts are essential to protect the delicate ecosystems and ensure that the breathtaking beauty of Armenia remains intact. By fostering a sense of responsibility towards nature, we can enjoy and cherish these natural wonders while safeguarding them for years to come. Architectural marvels. Armenia is home to a wealth of architectural marvels that reflect its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. Among the most iconic structures is the Vacabee Monastery, perched on a hill with stunning views of Mount Ararat. This ancient monastery, dating back to the 4th century, is not only a spiritual center but also a symbol of Armenia's early adoption of Christianity. Its unique architectural style combines elements of traditional Armenian design with influences from Byzantine architecture, showcasing intricate stone carvings and a distinctive dome that draws visitors from around the world. Another remarkable site is the Gerd Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its breathtaking rock-cut architecture. Carved directly into the cliffs of the Azat River Gorge, Gerd dates back to the 4th century and features a series of churches and tombs that exemplify the ingenuity of ancient Armenian builders. The monastery's stunning acoustics and serene surroundings create a spiritual atmosphere that captivates all who visit. These architectural sites not only serve as important cultural landmarks but also play a significant role in attracting tourists to Armenia. Visitors are drawn to the unique blend of history, spirituality, and artistry that these structures embody. As they explore the intricate designs and learn about the stories behind each site, tourists gain a deeper appreciation for Armenia's rich heritage. In addition to their historical and cultural significance, these architectural marvels contribute to the local economy by promoting sustainable tourism. By preserving and showcasing these unique sites, Armenia continues to share its extraordinary architectural legacy with the world, inviting travelers to experience the beauty and depth of its cultural identity. Cultural experiences. Armenia is a land rich in vibrant culture and traditions that offer visitors a unique glimpse into its heritage. One of the most delightful ways to experience Armenian culture is through its traditional cuisine, which is renowned for its bold flavors and fresh ingredients. Popular dishes such as korobets, a delicious grilled meat dish often enjoyed during gatherings, and dolma, vine leaves stuffed with rice and spices, are staples that reflect the country's culinary artistry. Dining in Armenia is not just about the food, it's a communal experience that brings families and friends together, making it an essential part of the culture. Cultural festivals and events also play a significant role in showcasing Armenian heritage. Events like the Yerevan Wine Days and the Vardover Festival, where water is playfully splashed among friends and family, highlight the joy and vibrancy of Armenian traditions. These festivals provide an opportunity for visitors to engage with locals, enjoy traditional music and dance, and immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Armenian life. When visiting Armenia, it is highly encouraged to immerse yourself in local customs and traditions. Participating in a traditional dance, learning a few words of the Armenian language, or joining in a local celebration can create unforgettable memories and foster a deeper connection with the culture. By embracing these experiences, travelers not only enrich their own journeys but also contribute to the preservation of Armenia's unique cultural identity. The warmth and hospitality of the Armenian people will make you feel at home, inviting you to explore and celebrate the beauty of their traditions. Travel tips for visiting Armenia. Planning a trip to Armenia can be an exciting adventure, and having the right travel tips can enhance your experience. The best times to visit Armenia are during the spring, April to June, and fall, September to October, when the weather is mild and the landscapes are particularly beautiful. These seasons offer a perfect backdrop for exploring the country's stunning natural wonders and historical sites. Additionally, be mindful of local customs, such as greeting people with a warm handshake and showing respect for traditions, especially when visiting religious sites. When it comes to transportation, Armenia offers various options for travelers. Yerevan, the capital, has a reliable public transportation system, including buses and minibuses, which are affordable and convenient for getting around the city. For those looking to explore the countryside, renting a car or hiring a taxi can provide more flexibility. Accommodations range from budget hostels to luxurious hotels, with many options available in Yerevan and popular tourist areas. Booking in advance, especially during peak seasons, is recommended to secure the best rates. To enhance your interactions with locals, learning a few basic Armenian phrases can go a long way. Simple greetings like Berev, hello, and Shnerhakalutian, thank you, can help break the ice and show appreciation for the culture. Armenians are known for their hospitality, and making an effort to speak their language will be warmly received. By following these travel tips, you can ensure a memorable and enriching experience while discovering the beauty and charm of Armenia. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Armenia, it's clear that this remarkable country offers a rich tapestry of experiences that captivate the heart and mind. From its historical significance, highlighted by iconic sites like the Vacabee Monastery and the Gerd Monastery, to its breathtaking natural landscapes such as Lake Sevan and the majestic Ararat Mountain, Armenia is a destination that truly has it all. The vibrant culture, showcased through its delicious cuisine and lively festivals, adds another layer of depth to this enchanting land. We hope this video has inspired you to consider Armenia for your next travel adventure. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of Armenia with us, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content that will take you to incredible destinations around the globe. Your support helps us continue to create engaging and informative videos that celebrate the beauty of our world. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in discovering Armenia's hidden gems. We also invite you to explore related content on our channel, where you can find more insights and tips for your future travels. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next adventure. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and Armenia is just the beginning.